Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I want to share with you guys my full 1-year update of microdermabrasion treatment. I know the word microdermabrasion is kind of intimidating, but I promise you it is way less scary than it sounds. Microdermabrasion, it is the skincare treatment that uses a mechanical device like this one to remove the uppermost layer of your skin, allowing new healthier skin to grow in its place. How it works, it uses a diamond tip for mild abrasion, and it also has a powerful vacuum suction to exfoliate your skin and remove the dead, dull cells. This is a really good treatment for your skin. It really minimizes enlarged pores. You can use it for acne scars, and even skin tone, and even skin texture, melasma, blackheads, fine lines and wrinkles. It is really good treatment for anyone who wants their skin to look bright, tight, younger and healthier, and who doesn't want that? So in this video I want to share with you guys my 1-year update, but first I want to walk you through the steps I take when I have a microdermabrasion treatment. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, to start my skincare routine for microdermabrasion, I need to remove all the makeup and wash my face. But I should also mention that I actually start prepping my skin for microdermabrasion a few days before my treatment by changing up my skincare routine and skipping on a few products. For example, I recommend you stay away from retinoids, peels or exfoliating treatments 3 days before microdermabrasion treatment, and also skip on products that contains vitamin C because you want to avoid any over irritation, because vitamin C is very acidic pH, so avoid it. And also make sure you are applying SPF and just staying on top of it. Now more than ever it's important. So I'm going to start right now by removing my makeup and washing my face, because your face has to be clean and free of makeup, dirt and oil. So let's do that. Okay, now I just like to pat my face dry. And now I'm just going to use my toner to make sure there's no makeup residue left behind. Now, to open up my pores and get them ready for extraction, I like to use my home facial steamer for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can skip this step if you don't have one, but I'm going to use it just to make sure I have a deeper clean. Now, this is the device I have. It's called Microderm GLO. I like it because it is cordless and it's very lightweight. On the LCD here, it displays the treatment mode. So we have auto mode. This one is really good for beginner because it walks you through the treatment. So I recommend you start with auto mode, and once you feel comfortable enough, you can use manual mode. This is the mode I usually use, and I use it on level 3. It has 3 different level settings. So you have 1, 2 and 3 for the purpose of this video, because I might do extra strokes to show you guys. So I'm going to use it on level 1 today, and whenever you're ready you can just hit this button to get started. Now, I usually like to start with my cheeks, and I do strokes from inside outwards. You can do a full stroke like this, or you can break it up in the middle and then continue it like this. I'm not going to do under my eye area because the skin here is very delicate and it's not good to stretch it. You can do strokes to the side if you're more comfortable that way. It came with two interchangeable diamond tips. You have a large one for larger area and you have the small one for smaller areas. I like to use this one for my nose and for my forehead. But before I change it to this one, I'm going to use this large tip to do my neck. And for the neck, they also recommend doing downward strokes. Now I'm going to change the tip to the small tip so I can do my nose and my forehead. If you feel more comfortable, you can do the sides like this. Now lastly, we have to do the forehead. And now we are all done. Don't be alarmed if your skin looks or feels different immediately after your treatment. Your skin can become temporarily red, irritated, and dry. This is normal. The next 24 hours are crucial to ensure you get the best possible results from your treatment. So what you do to your skin next is very important. So I'm going to start by washing off to just rinse off my face from any leftover. Now it's very important to finish off with a good skincare routine, especially now that we got all the dead skin off and our clogged pores are now open. So anything you put on your skin right now is going to absorb it and it's going to reach in there so much deeper. So if you have a soothing sheet mask, now it's time to use it. This will calm down your skin and give it some soothing effects. For me today, I'm going to make my own mask using manuka honey, red clay, and rose water. This is going to create a hydrating, like soothing treatment for me. So I'm going to mix very much equal parts of honey and red clay, and then I'll use the rose water to create a paste. I'm just going to wait 10-15 minutes and I'll rinse it off. Now, instead of full face routine, stick to a very gentle skincare products. You don't want to use anything that could irritate your skin or clog your pores. So I would avoid anything with anti-aging stuff. You don't want anything with active ingredient. Instead, use something simple, moisturizing, and just soothing. So I would go in first with your favorite sensitive skin serum. This is the one I'm going to use today. And after that, apply a face cream that can help promote skin healing, like use a cream that contains hyaluronic acid or aloe vera. Remember, moisture helps to lock moisture into your skin and it helps to protect your skin by providing a barrier between your skin and harsh environmental agents. This will help to maintain the results of your treatment and keep your skin looking fresh and smooth. As you can see, my skin looks better and glowy, and I find this effect becomes more pronounced in the next 24 hours after my skin calms down and the renewed skin becomes more visible. And I also noticed in the next few weeks my skin texture and tone will change, and that because my skin cells are triggered to produce a larger amount of collagen, which is responsible for creating a plumper, more elastic skin, which is really nice. But hydration is key, so really make sure you stay hydrated inside out. So make sure you are drinking a lot of water and eat healthy too. You really need to eat a lot of fruit and vegetables that have high content of water. This will definitely keep you hydrated and will keep your skin moisturized. And if you need to reapply moisturizers throughout the day, you can do that. Just be sure to avoid sun. If you can't, you can go in the sun, but apply SPF 50 at least every 2 hours. Alright guys, so that was my full skincare routine when I have a microdermabrasion treatment. And after 1 year of use, I definitely see my skin looks more youthful and tighter. I noticed a difference in my skin after actually just a couple of uses. My pores are much smaller, my skin is less oily now, and I definitely noticed less blackheads, which is absolutely a plus. And my skin has been very smooth ever since I started using this. So that's why I really think this is an amazing gadget. I cannot say enough about how much I like it. I think my favorite thing is definitely seeing the products that I'm using going in and getting absorbed, because you can have like the most expensive and the highest quality products, but if they're just going to sit on your skin, you're not going to get any results. Remember though, this will not work alone. You need to drink lots of water and you need to stay consistent, because the results are temporary. So you need to have a monthly maintenance schedule to upkeep the great results. So if you have oily skin, they recommend to do this treatment once every couple of weeks, and if you have normal skin, you can get away with doing it just once a month. But there's dozens of at-home microdermabrasions to right now online and in stores. So I'm going to leave links to all the products I used in the description box below if you guys are interested. But that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs it up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!